Yes, Kijana, can you tell us the hissing sound produced when sodium is added to water? Yesterday we talked on this. Yes. Oh, Malimu, it was Yes, go on. Yeah, Kijana. Who taught you that? Who taught you that? You are in class. You are in class. Oh, you need Thapki. They start hissing sound. Ama you ni sauti when Thapki is starting. Huh? Yeah. You are a joking class.
Excuse.
Yes, you are excused.
Kwani wewe ni chemistry?
Why?
Because you are the only element in my periodic table.
Yeah. That one you should be telling your mother. This is a class. Huh? The effect of social media. Huh? I know exactly how to deal with you. As from today, we are going to use a phone. Don't forget UFA. And radio is also here. I'm not also forgetting to come with a TV screen. 24 inches. In fact, I'll come with 64. If not possible, I'll come with a projector which can project only here. Chemistry. Yes, but on aside, yesterday I gave out an assignment and I want to see them now. Yes, Kijana, I'm starting with you. Your book. Yes.
You just forgot my book at all.
Yes, what? Kwa nini maneno yako imekatika kama maneno ya Thapki? Sit down. Where are you going to? Let me deal with this one.